Hi, welcome to Company Sodi. In today's video, we are going to dive into some fascinating details about the company, including its latest updates and key insights. Aditya Auto Products and Engineering Private Limited, a leading automotive supplier. Aditya Auto Products and Engineering Private Limited is a renowned automotive supplier specializing in advanced mechatronic systems, precision components, and motors. Established in 1998 and headquartered in Bengaluru, Karnataka, India, the company has a global footprint, serving over 30 automotive manufacturers and 40 suppliers worldwide. Key features and offerings: automotive systems, designing and manufacturing essential systems like door and access systems, driver control systems, and electric motors integrated with advanced electronics. Motors and electronics, specializing in energy-efficient motors and electronic controllers, driving innovation to meet future automotive industry needs. Precision components and tooling, producing high-precision stamped and plastic parts, injection molded components, and fine blanked parts, along with custom tooling services. Connective systems, supplying wiring harness assemblies, connectors, and other connective systems for seamless communication and power transmission in vehicles. Global operations and manufacturing. With a strong presence in India's key automotive hubs and logistics facilities worldwide, Aditya Auto is well positioned to provide automotive solutions on a global scale. Innovation and future readiness. Focused on enhancing end-to-end design and manufacturing technologies, Aditya is investing in disruptive innovation projects, particularly in energy-efficient motors and electronic systems. Company culture. Fostering a culture of excellence, quality, and continuous improvement, Aditya Auto values collaboration and sustainability. Certifications. Certified with IATF 16949:2016, ISO 14001:2015, and ISO 45001:2018, ensuring the highest standards in quality management, environmental protection, and occupational health and safety. Company information summary. Website: Aditya Auto. Industry: automotive. Headquarters: Bengaluru, Karnataka, India. Founded 1998. Company size: 1,001 to 5,000 employees. Specialties: window regulators, door latches, tailgate latches, hood latches, seat latches, wiring harnesses, electric motors, precision stamped parts, injection molded parts, fine blanked parts, stamped assemblies, electronic controllers, parking brakes, and window lift motors. Aditya Auto continues to drive innovation in the automotive industry, supporting manufacturers with cutting-edge solutions and positioning itself as a leader in mechatronics and precision engineering. Don't forget to subscribe to Company Sodi for more informative and engaging content. See you in the next video.